Okay, so it's Monday, January 4th, so we are having our weekly close in 6 minutes. So basically I draw this trend line that started from here with this top, 1 point, 2 points, and that's the third point. And on the Fibonacci extension, we have the 1.68, which is quite strong, also aligned with this area. All the market sentiment, all the Twitter, and all the news like CNN, Bloomberg, everyone, CNBC, all super bullish. So I think it's a time to take some profits because we've been in a bull run, just green candles non-stop, and we might just have a correction. Who knows? A bigger one or a minor one? Nobody knows, but the market is in a bull run, so all the dips are to buy. So this is the monthly where I draw this trend line aligned with the Fib extension. We have been green, 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 like in 2017. And as we know, after a while we will have a correction when no one expects. Okay, so we are having the weekly close in 5 minutes. Just waiting for it to open. Wait, didn't press well. So the weekly, we are rejecting this area, but still not a big wick down. So we can do like a small wick and then reassess and keep on pushing higher. But we are extremely overbought on the weekly, even higher than 2017. 2017 we were here, and now we passed. On the 90, we were on the 90, 18, 90, around 90, and now we are 92, almost 93. So this is extremely overbought on the weekly. So we might just have a correction, but who knows? We might just come to this trend line and then push higher again. If we close below this one and below this one, we have the 12 moving average and the 21, which are waiting here for some big buys, plus all this area on the 12 and 14 Ks. The moving averages are going up, so just see where the candles close on a weekly basis and just do your trade from there. For now, I think it's time to take some profits. Okay, so this is the weekly. The daily extremely overbought as well on the indicators. We are rejecting that trend line plus the Fib extension. We have this support here. So let's see, we might just come here and then push higher again. Otherwise, we have the 12, 21 here as support plus all these moving averages. The 277 and the 200s are from the 15. 200s is almost on the 14, so it's an area to buy. 277 on the 12.6. Okay, so on the daily, the moving averages are here all aligned. You just need to see where we close on the weekly basis and on the daily basis. Okay, so yeah, so no need to go to the lower time frames. We are rejecting this area. I can just go to the 4 hours. So we are rejecting, but we still have the 12 and the 21 here. And then here on the 22 or 23, 24, we have the 200 exponential, 200 simple. On the 26, we have the 189 here on the 27, and the 50, which has been holding the price for a while. This is the green one. As we can see, after the 200s hold here, the 50 has been holding, so we might just come here and then reassess. Who knows? So for now we are rejecting, and let's see if this holds. The 21 might still hold, so only if we start to see like a market structure break, like starting to close below the 50 here or below here, but basically below this area, this wick and this candle here. it starts to go more bearish. For now, it still can do a higher low here. Let's see. We are already extremely overbought, but Bitcoin can still push higher all the time. But since the market is all bullish, you can use the contrarian way and just try to do the opposite for a little bit. Try to think ahead of the market. All right, I think that's it. Yeah, this is where we are. And if we look at Bitcoin, we take out the log scale, look, this is where we are on Bitcoin. So, and we are rejecting, a little bit of rejection. And when it starts, so let's see, it's already 8 o'clock. So we just opened the wick. And let's see now if we have a dump or if we hold. We just opened a new wick with this wick of rejection. Let's see if it keeps on going down, or if we go maybe here to liquidate some shorts and then maybe down, or if we manage to hold this. Okay, so this is where we are. Support, of course, here on the 20K, which is aligned with the 21, and we have the 12 here on the 22, around 22 and a half. So on the monthly, on the weekly, the moving averages are going high, super strong. These are the areas to buy here, here, basically this cluster, because this is just a green line. This small cluster, if we break down this, the supports are on the 14 here, also here on this, basically the candles, the top of the candles, until the maximum here on the 10.9. If we break this down, the bear market will start, but all these dips from here, 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 and the breakout, plus this moving average here on the weekly, are all to buy for bounces. So we are starting to get red, and let's see how we go. Remember, risk management and wait for confirmations on the candles close.